Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Best Samsung phone 489.97. Big screen in a small package. Samsung built the Galaxy Note brand on delivering the best big screen phones around, but the best thing about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is how delightfully small it is. The 6.3-inch Note 10 is one of the most compact big screen phones yet, thanks to its nearly bezel-free Infinity O screen and some features Samsung left on the cutting room floor. The Note 10 also boasts several S Pen enhancements, including gestures, introduces helpful video recording features and a new way to mirror the phone on a PC. Although the $949/$869 Note 10 doesn't represent the pinnacle of Samsung's phablets, it should hit the sweet spot for most people in terms of size and specs. The idea of a compact phablet might sound crazy, but it actually makes a whole lot of sense when you use it. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Review, Cheat Sheet. The Galaxy Note 10 isn't just thinner and lighter than the Galaxy Note 9, it's the most compact phone ever with a 6.3-inch screen. In fact, it's so tiny for its display size that we consider it among the best small phones you can buy. Samsung kept the cameras mostly the same compared to the Galaxy S10, with wide, ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. But it did bring live focus effects to video. A software update has brought some of the Galaxy S20's camera features to the Galaxy Note 10. The Snapdragon 855 inside the Galaxy Note 10 delivers impressive performance, though other flagship Android phones, especially those with Qualcomm's newer Snapdragon 865 chipset, outperform it, and Apple's A13 Bionic chip in the iPhone 11 range absolutely smokes it. The S Pen performs air actions, such as changing camera modes with a wave of your hand. You can also convert handwriting to text, but it's not seamless. Samsung killed both the headphone jack and microSD card slot, but at least the bundled USB-C headphones offer noise cancelling. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a bigger 6.8-inch screen, more RAM, larger battery and fourth camera on the back for depth sensing, but it costs $150/$130 more. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Review, Price and Availability. The Galaxy Note 10 is available for $949/$869, though we recommend you check out all the best Galaxy Note 10 deals out there before you decide where to buy. All of the major US carriers are selling the Note 10, including AT&T, Verizon, Sprint and T-Mobile. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Review, Design. The Galaxy Note 10 is easily one of the most striking phones out there, especially if you go for the Aura Glow color. That model gives off a silvery iridescence that changes hues as light strikes it at different angles. You can also get it in Aura White, Aura Black and Aura Blue, with that last color exclusive to Best Buy, opens a new tab, and Samsung.com. Some regions receive additional colors, like Aura Red, that aren't available in North America. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Review, Display. The Galaxy Note 10 features a 6.3-inch Infinity O display, which has a cutout located in the top center of the panel. Personally, I find the Note 10's hole punch less distracting than the one on the Samsung Galaxy S10, which is on the right side. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Review, S Pen. The S Pen has gained some new tricks on the Galaxy Note 10, though some of them come across as more gimmicky than useful. One of the S Pen's hallmark features has been the ability to convert handwriting to text. New for the Note 10, Samsung's OneUI software now offers a transcription and export option that will allow you to save the note as text and send it to a Word doc, PDF or another file type, in one action. It's a clever feature, though much like the S Pen's other powerful transcription capabilities, it's somewhat convoluted to access. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Review, Camera. Samsung decided to use the same camera sensors on the Galaxy Note 10 as on the Galaxy S10, which means you should not expect a leap in performance when taking still shots. Since the Note 10 came out in 2019, Samsung has launched the Galaxy S20 family, which features more advanced cameras, particularly on the high-end Galaxy S20 Ultra. A software update has brought some of the S20's camera features, such as single take, which captures a number of shots at once, and night hyperlapse capabilities, to the Galaxy Note 10. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Review, Performance. The Galaxy Note 10 is one of the fastest Android phones, thanks to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 CPU. It's not the newest mobile processor on the market, though it certainly delivers enough power for most people.